Your Holiness, I'm feeling really frustrated and angry about what's happening in the world right now. The wars, political turmoil, economic struggles, and uncertainty. Based on your understanding of the Buddhist teachings, what advice would you offer?
I think it is possible that we can change our mind. We can change our mind in positive ways. And the positive mind is like the compassion, the loving kindness, and tolerance, and forgiveness. And such qualities are very important. And so we must develop these qualities and change our mind in that pattern. And that will certainly create benefit for oneself as well as other beings, through which we can also make the world more peaceful and harmonious. I think it's, you see, the anger, you can't conquer anger by anger, but the anger can be conquered by the loving kindness and compassion. So as an individual, I think emphasizing on the loving kindness and compassion is the great quality of the mind which we must generate and try to practice through. Only then conquer the negative emotions.